Inside the Senate also caught up with some lawmakers-elect on their observations of the legislature, as well as what they intend to focus on during their time at the Assembly.
Today, we started the orientation program or induction program at about 10 a.m. We arrived yesterday. Since morning, we've been taken through the procedures of the National Assembly, the structure, the functions of the National Assembly, and the conduct of selection of officials of the National Assembly to lead the 9th Assembly. I think so far it's going on very well. The resource persons are endowed, they know, and the presentations was done very well. It brings exposure to what we, the incoming senators, legislators, are coming to face in making of laws and the conduct of the National Assembly. So I want to say that today's induction, the beginning, it's encouraging. We still have 4 more days to go, and by the program we have different issues, topics that is going to be handled. The selection of the officials, leaders of the National Assembly. Yes, all of us are senators-elect, and by the Constitution, the leaders, for example, the President and the Deputy Senate President are to be ranking members. It is left for us to go through and really understand the 3 persons. So far we've heard mostly 3 persons are interested, have indicated interest. It's not an issue that we should just jump into, because leadership carries with it a lot of things. If a leader chosen to be to lead the National Assembly doesn't have what it takes, it therefore means we are going to have a chaotic sessions. So it is left for the members, that's the senators-elect, to really look into the 3 persons, do proper assessment, and do the voting. It's going to be a free and fair election from what we have been told. Though it is going to be a secret ballot, but the voting will be done there and counting will be done there, which I believe will be properly conducted.